Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your website address to your Pinterest business account. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest app, and once I'm in the Pinterest app, what I'll do is click on saved, and now you have to click on the three dots and go on to settings. Now you can click on public profile, which is the first option right here. Then you can find this option website, and now you can click on there and type in your website address. I'll say something like youtube.com hash. I don't know if it's supported, so let's see. Okay, so once you have typed in your website address, you can click on done, and now you can see your profile has been updated. It's showing. So I'll go back, and right here you can see this link. This is a clickable link as well. As you can see, it opens up YouTube. So that's how we can easily add a link to your website or anything on your Pinterest account. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.